Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color silver. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you will get your product, a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions. But first, let's just take a look at the product here. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay. And then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy just like that. Okay, on the side here are your screw holes where you're going to put the provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Also, I just wanted to mention real quickly that these plates are interchangeable. So if you want to change the color around, that is possible. Just make sure that you're buying the SS2 plate in the corresponding color. Okay, let's flip it on around. At the top here, it has the British certification, or BS for short, at the top there, so you can buy this with peace of mind. It has 3 terminal hole screws, so this is a two-way functioning light switch, so you can control your lights from 2 separate locations with this. The modules are interchangeable, so if you find out later that you need an intermediate, which can control it from 3 separate locations, you can just remove this one, pop in the 9, get it wired, and then you're good to go. Okay, so let's flip it on over. Let's put our plate back on, just like that. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet. Okay. On the one side here, we have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. So if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow. That would be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right-hand corner here is a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page to give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, and finally, let's just take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, on the back is and at the bottom is our SKU code, the ART-SS2, the two-way, and SI for the color silver. In the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another Scan Me QR code. You scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so that you know that this is completely recyclable. Give you the peace of mind. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.